Guys, welcome to JE Cloud, and this is your Cloud Mentor English. And today we are going to discuss about the some problems on S block elements. And let's move on. Yes, the first question is that alkali metals react with water vigorously to form hydroxides and dihydrogen. Which of the following alkali metals react with water least vigorously? Among alkali metals, reactivity increases on moving down the group because ionization energy decreases. Thus, ionization energy is highest for lithium among alkali metals, so it is the less reactive and hence reacts less vigorously with water. So, option A is the right answer. So next question, the reducing power of a metal depends on various factors, such as the factor which makes lithium the strongest reducing agent in aqueous solution. Lithium, because of its small size, hydration energy of lithium is high, and which compensates for its high ionization energy. Consequently, its reduction potential is lowest amongst the alkali metal, and hence it is the strongest reducing agent. So from that we can say that option C is the right answer. Okay, it is dependent on the, it is because of the hydration enthalpy. Okay, so next question, shine at freshly cut sodium is because of what? So, the shining at freshly cut sodium is due to the oscillation of free electron. It is due to the oscillation of free electrons. So, option A is the right answer. And it will lose after some time due to the oxidation or air oxidation. Okay, when it comes to contact with the air. And next question. Sodium is less reactive than potassium because yes, the ionization enthalpy of potassium is less than that of the sodium. That is because that is about I think 419 kilojoules for potassium, while sodium has the ionization enthalpy 496, and the standard electrode potential of potassium is more negative than that of the sodium. That's why potassium is more reactive than sodium. The potassium is having the potential electrode potential about minus 2.925 volt for potassium, and sodium is having less negative, is 2.714 volt. Okay, so these are the reason for potassium becoming more reactive than the sodium. So option option D is the right answer, because it's higher enthalpy, it is having higher ionization enthalpy. uh, which one? The sodium is having more ionization enthalpy, so it is not able to share its electron or donate its electron, and of its less negative electron potential. Yes, sodium is having less negative than the potassium, so both A and B is the answer, right answer. So next question, why are potassium and cesium rather than lithium used in photoelectric cells? Yes, uh, the metals having very high tendency to electrons are used in photoelectric cells. The lower ionization energy, higher is the tendency to lose electron. So option A is the right answer, because of the lower ionization enthalpy. In the photoelectric cells, it must have lower ionization density to donate or uh, to lose electrons. So should have the highest tendency to donate the electrons or lose the electrons. So option A is the right answer. Then the order of decreasing ionization enthalpy in alkali metals is, the order is given, and the distance between the valence electron and the nucleus increases as the size of the alkali metal increases. That is, nucleus binds the valence electrons less tightly. Thus, the amount of energy required to remove valence electron, that is the ionization energy, decreases. So the order of ionization energy will be, as lithium will be greater, having greater ionization energy than sodium, than potassium, than rubidium, because it is the size is in the reverse order. That is, rubidium is more bigger than potassium, and then so ionization energy increases as lithium has small size. Okay, and so option C is the right answer. Option C. So next question. The characteristic not related to alkali metal is, okay, which one of them? Alkali metals is not having ionization energy, so that's wrong. Yes, it is wrong. This is wrong. And next one, yes, it is actually it is the answer we need. That is, cat is not related to, not related. That is the high ionization energy. And there B. Let's look at the other options. Their ions are isoelectronic with noble gases. Yes, yes, it's there are ions are isoelectronics with the noble gases. And next one, low melting point. Low melting point. Yes, they are having the low melting point and low electronegativity. So others are right, but it is not related to the alkali metal. So this is the option we needed. Next question. And when sodium is dissolved in liquid ammonia, a solution of deep blue color is obtained. The color of the solution is due to what? Okay, the sodium is dissolved in liquid ammonia. A solution of deep blue color is obtained. Why? Yes. On dissolving sodium in liquid ammonia, its color turns deep blue due to the generation of ammoniated electrons. Due to the generation of ammoniated electrons. So option A is the right answer. I can show the reaction here. That is Na, sodium, plus NS3. I mean X plus Y of NS3, giving NaNS3, NaNS3 X plus ENS3, that is ammoniated electron, or okay, Y. So this is a solvated or ammoniated electron. So that's it. So option A is the right answer. Next, the ions of an element of group 1 participate in transmission of nerve signals and transport of sugars and amino acids into cells. This element imparts yellow color to the flame in flame test and forms an oxide and a peroxide with the oxygen. Identify the element. Ions of the element group 1. Yes. It's actually simple. Participate in transmission of, okay, yes. Then this element is inverts yellow color. Okay. Yellow color on flame test and forms oxide and peroxide with oxygen. These are the hints we have. So it is evident that, and it is sure that it is the sodium which gives the yellow color in flame test, and it shows the both the oxide, it gives both oxide and peroxide with oxygen. So sodium is the right answer. Next question is which of the following oxide is formed when potassium metal is burned in excess of air? In excess of air, which of the following is called? Yes, in the excess of air, this is the one we get when the potassium is burnt. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Next question. Which sequence of reaction shows correct chemical relation between sodium and its compounds? Hmm. Okay, reaction shows the correct chemical reaction relation between sodium and its compounds. Yes. So here sodium reacts with oxygen giving Na2O and HCl giving NaCl. It is not applicable, and here also the same first one is happening, and the option D, let's look at the option D and split them. That is 2Na. I have the reaction, I can write the reaction 2Na plus H2O, 2Na plus 2H2O giving 2NaOH, 2NaOH plus H2. That's a reaction happening when the sodium or the alkali metal reacts with the water. Hydrogen is liberated, so that's a reaction, and sodium hydroxide is formed, and that sodium hydroxide is reacted with the carbon dioxide here plus CO2 giving, yes, we know Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Sodium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, giving sodium carbonate. So Na2CO3 and water. And now here the Na2CO3 reacts with HCl. Yes, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate reacts with HCl. HCl to HCl, giving, yes, 2NaCl, 2NaCl plus H2O and carbon dioxide is liberated CO2. Okay, and this molten NaCl is then electrolyted to get, yes, sodium. Yes, the molten NaCl can be electrolyted. Molten can be electrolyted, electrolysis, to give Na sodium ions and chlorine ions. So that's it. And when it gains electron, if it gains electron, it will give the sodium atom, and if it here also if it gives gain electron, then it will give the chlorine electron or chlorine atom. So next question. Which is the most basic in character? So as it goes down the group, basic character increases. That's the point here. As we go down, the basic character increases. So the order is that lithium hydroxide is having less basic character than sodium hydroxide, than KOH, than RBOH. So option C is the right answer, which is having the more basic character. So because that is the down the group, the basic character increases. Basic character increases down the group. Basic character increases. So that's it. And next question: which one of the following is the highest melting halide? Yes. Which one of the following is the highest melting halide? Yes. Because of the smaller size of F minus ions formed here, Na has the highest lattice energy and hence the highest melting point. So option D is the right answer. Okay, because of the smaller size of fluorine than the others, it will be having highest lattice energy and hence the highest melting point. So next question: a solid is a compound. What? Yes, a solid is a compound of group one. Group one element, and it gives a bright red color in flame test. The solid is okay. Which group 1 element gives the bright red color? So that's option A, because lithium salts impart bright red color to the flame. So option A is the right answer. Next question: which of the following does not illustrate the anomalous properties of lithium? Mm, lithium is much softer than the other group first metals. Be the melting point and the boiling point of lithium are comparatively high and so on. So which is the right answer? That's we need to find out. Yes, obviously it is right. It is option A is the right answer. Option A. The here lithium is much softer than the other first group metals or first group metals. Actually, lithium is harder than other alkali metals, so that does not illustrate the anomalous properties of lithium. So option A is the record option here. Okay. Yes. So next question: baking powder contains what? Baking powder contains the following things, that is NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, and CaH2PO2 twice, and starch. So which is the option? Yes, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question: in which of the following process fused sodium hydroxide is electrolyzed at 330 degrees Celsius temperature for the extraction of sodium? Yes, which is that? Option A is yes, option A, that is the Kastner-Kellner process. So it is in that cell that the fused sodium hydroxide is electrolyzed at to 330 degrees Celsius temperature for the extraction of sodium. So that's the answer. Option A. Next question: when sodium chloride solution is electrolyzed, the gas that is liberated at cathode is which one? Yes, when the sodium chloride solution is electrolyzed, the gas that is liberated at the cathode is which one? Okay, which one will be? Yes, let's look at the reaction, that is 2NaCl reacts with 2H2O and it is now electrolyzed to give 2NaOH plus Cl2, that is it is chlorine gas at anode. Chlorine gas is at anode, so it is not the option. And at cathode, what will be the reactant, that is or the product, that is hydrogen is got at the cathode. So option C is the right answer. Option C. Yes, next question: in the synthesis of sodium carbonate, the recovery of ammonia is done by treating ammonium chloride with calcium hydroxide. Then the byproduct obtained in this process is, in the synthesis of sodium carbonate, the recovery of is done by treating sodium chloride with calcium hydroxide. So here the reaction is that 2NH4Cl reacts with calcium hydroxide, giving calcium chloride CaCl2 and ammonia and 2H2. So this is the reaction happening there. So the product formed there will be CaCl2, calcium chloride. So option A is the right answer. Next question, when washing soda is heated, what happens? Yes, let's take the washing soda. Washing soda is Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, that when 10H2 also, and when it is heated, what happens? Yes, Na2CO3 H2O, and again when it is heated it gives Na2CO3 and H2O. So H2O, water vapor is released. So option D is the right answer. And let's go for the other questions in the next part. Okay. And to know more about the Cloud Vendor, visit our website. You can Google by typing Cloud Vendor Gaurish. Site appears as the first result, and or simply search Cloud Vendor and you will get the site as the third result. And also you can follow us on different social media platforms, and you can follow us on Instagram, and you can follow on WhatsApp. I have created a WhatsApp group for discussions on different doubts you have, and the links are given in the description box. Also a Telegram group for discussion and the same purpose, and a channel is also formed for giving off your learning steps, and all the links are given in the description box. You can check it later. You can also ask your doubts as comments in YouTube, and if you want more videos which would be uploaded in the coming days, please subscribe our channel and press that bell icon for.
Hope you guys understood the topic. Thanks for watching my video. Always be free to ask questions. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you like this video, share it with your friends. See you guys.